So here we have what I believe to be a '01 Honda Civic, and as you can see, it's already been through a derby. It's pretty beat up, but usually I would save this thing and derby it again because these Honda Civics are usually good for several derbies. But this one doesn't run, and we haven't been able to figure out why. So I have a video of us testing the injection system, and every injector injects. Yeah. All of them are spraying. Every one of them's injecting. And then we compression tested it. And then we took apart the cap and rotor and everything and checked ignition, and every single cylinder is firing. But it only runs on one cylinder. Now, that doesn't make sense. And magically, the day of the derby, it decided to run on all four, and it ran on all four the whole derby. But as soon as we got it home again, it's back to running on one cylinder. Now, I could spend money and replace the ignition system, but this thing's, well, it's been through a derby, and I'm not spending a dime on it. So I'm going to kill it, but I'm going to have to spray gas in it just to get it to start, because on one hole, it won't even start unless you give it a little taste, which obviously I understand is a fuel problem. There's something wrong with the fuel system, except that we've tested it, and it works perfectly. Oh, we're back to one cylinder. Oh, we're gonna lose it. We're gonna lose it. It'll go again. Okay, so it's not that one. Oh, we lost it. All right, well, we'll do the next. So we've got 3 of the plug wires off, and I for some reason I thought it was that one. I think that's number 1. I could be wrong. That could be number 4, but I'm just gassing it so that one hole will start, because that's the one that does all the work. And it's a little hard to do this with just 2 hands. Well, apparently for the purposes of starting, I actually need at least 2 of them hooked up. Well, that's disappointing. I was hoping to run this thing on one. I was going to make it a lawnmower. Okay, there we go. Oh, we'll get rid of this. Oh, it's being real stubborn. Usually it just runs flawlessly on one hole. Honda Civic sounds like, and that's usually how it runs. It makes about, I don't know, 25 horsepower. For some reason, the injectors that are injecting, the fuel system that's got adequate pressure, the cylinders with good compression, and the ignition system that's putting out spark, it's not running. And yes, I've checked it, and it's timed correctly, and the plugs are in the correct order. It makes no sense, so I'm gonna kill it. Simple as that. Now, I've got some concrete mix here, and we're going to see if it likes concrete mix. Maybe that'll help loosen things up, maybe not. so disappointing. I don't think it likes the concrete mix too much. It might be killing compression, but I'm not sure. We'll have to keep trying, I suppose. Ooh. It doesn't sound like it has a ton of compression. We're not done though. Well, I think the concrete powder is a bad idea. I would say that that decompressioned it pretty bad. Yeah, I would say that from the sounds of it, it has no compression. Or the cylinders are full of that gray dust. I mean, that is a possibility, but this thing was destined for the dump anyway. It's too bad it wasn't more glorious.